Hello students, welcome to grade 7 maths term 2.
Students, this is class 2 of term 2 class. Okay, put today's date and you can start to write. What I thought in the yesterday online class, that only we are going to see in this video class also. So date is 8/1/2021. Okay, so we want to start up with the example number 1.1. Okay, last class I have given the introduction about the decimal number. Okay, in that I made a mistake in your homework. I given the thousands there, so you just check out and write it, that is 100 place. Okay, change that one, children. Many of you are remind me, thank you for that. Many of you not changed, as it is you written and sent me. Okay, for them also I will say the things to change it. Okay, so next we are going to learn the example number 1.1. Represent the following decimal numbers pictorially. Okay, pictorial we want to draw the decimal numbers. So this is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. So whole number part nothing is there, so you leave off, that is 0 they are given. In decimal part they are given the 3, so we have to draw the 3 boxes. So next 3.6. Okay, whole number part is 3. First you draw the 3 boxes of whole number and then 6 is there, that is the decimal part, so you have to draw the 6 boxes small size. Okay, so next is 2.7. whole number part is 2, so you draw the 2 box. Okay, and then 7 is the decimal part, you draw the 7 boxes of small sizes. Okay, 7 boxes I have drawn that. Okay, so next is 11.4 is the question. So 11 is the what part? Whole number part, so you have to draw the 11 boxes. Look at this, children. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 boxes I drawn. After that you can draw the 4 boxes. Children, in your book they are given the 10 box, after that they are given 1 box singly. Like that also you can draw, no problem. Okay, so next here you can mention this one. Okay, whole number nothing is there. Here whole number is 3, here whole number is 2, here whole number is 11. Okay, so next move on to the example number 1.2. Write the following in the place value grid and find the place value of the underlined digit. So place value of the underlined digit மட்டும் தான் நம்ம இப்போ பண்ண போறோம். So ஒண்ணும் இல்ல 0.37 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 7 is in which place they are asking. 7 is in which place? As I said, no one's place in the right side of the decimal point. So it is tenths, this one is hundredths. So 7 is in hundredth place. HUNDREDTHS. So next this 7 is in tens place. 7 is in tens place. TENTHS. Okay, so next 271. So this 7 is in which place? 100th place. Again HUNDREDTHS. Okay, have you clear, children? Very much simple sums. Okay, so next is example number 1.3. The height of the person is 165 centimeter. Express this height in meter. Express this height in meter. So centimeter they are given. Now we are going to change it in the meter. For that they are given one formula. So formula for converting the centimeter into meter. So 1 centimeter equal to, okay, 1 centimeter equal to how much meter? Can anyone say? Yesterday in online class I also thought, no? Anyone say? 1 centimeter equal to 1/100 meter. You can write it here, 1/100 meter. Children, look at that. 2 zeros are there. So 2 number next point want to be there. So 2 numbers na first மேல என்ன இருக்கு whole number அதை எழுதி 1. அப்போ 1 number போச்சு, பக்கத்துல நம்பர் இல்ல, so you have to draw give the 0. So 2 number next point is there, means here also you can give the 0. So 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. So this is the formula to convert. Now as like the same we have 165 centimeter, no? So 165 centimeter equal to 165 centimeter equal to How much it will come? How much it will come? 0.01. So 165 as usual you write. Okay, two numbers next you want to keep the point. One number, two number. Ones place, tens place. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நீங்கள் வந்து பாயிண்ட் வைக்கணும். இப்போ பாயிண்ட் வச்சோம்னா it will come 1 is the whole number, 6 and 5 will become a decimal part. So 6 is in tens place, 5 is in the hundredth place. So answer is 165 centimeter equal to 1.65 meter. That's it children, very much simple. Okay, well, if you learn this formula clearly means you can solve any number to centimeter to meter. ஓகேவா? ஸோ சென்டிமீட்டர் டு மீட்டர்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? 2 டிஜிட்க்கு முன்னாடி பாயிண்ட் வைக்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். இதை மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்களா யூ கேன் ஃபினிஷ் இட் வெரி ஈஸிலி. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மூவ் ஆன் டு திஸ் பேஜ் நம்பர் 3, எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 1.4. ஓகேவா? கன்வெர்ட் இன் கிலோமீட்டர். கன்வெர்ட் இன் கிலோமீட்டர். ஹவு centimeter to meter one formula is there, no? Like that the same meter to kilometer also formula is there. So 1 meter equal to 1/1000 kilometer. Tell me. Open your mouth and say 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. So 3 zeros இருக்கு. அப்போ மீட்டரை கிலோமீட்டரை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும்னா 3 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணணும்? பாயிண்ட் வைக்கணும். ஏன்னா இங்கே 3 0 இருக்கு 1000ல. ஸோ 3 டிஜிட்க்கு முன்னாடி பாயிண்ட் வைக்கலாமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1 கொடுத்துட்டேன், ஏன்னா இங்கே மேலே 1 இருக்கு, அதனால 1 கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஆனால் 3 டிஜிட்ஸ் இல்லை. 1 2 3 டிஜிட்க்கு முன்னாடி பாயிண்ட் வச்சுட்டு முன்னாடி ஒரு 0 கொடுத்துட்டேன். ஸோ 1 மீட்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு 0.001 கிலோமீட்டர். ஓகேவா? Have you clear children up to this? Next we have to solve this sum. ஓகேவா? 4 meter they are given. So 4 meter அப்படின்னா 3 டிஜிட் தள்ளி பாயிண்ட் வச்சாதான் அது கிலோமீட்டரா மாறும். So you can write the 4 and then this is the first digit. Before that put the 0, now we have the 3 digit before 0 will be there. So 0.04 what we changed? Kilometer. Okay children? Okay, so next children we have to write from the left to right. Okay va? Don't go with the right side to left side, it will be the wrong answer. Okay va? So next 28 meter. So you write the number 28. Okay, the kilometer want to change 3 digits before we have to keep the point. 1 2 third digit and put the point and give the 0. Okay va? So like that the same 537 meter. So you just write 537, 3 digits before want to keep the point and then put the 0 kilometer. This is your fourth sum 3983. Okay va? 3 digits before we want to keep the decimal point and then you have to give the kilometer. That's it. Okay va? Here we have to know that why we are giving the 3 digit before decimal point. That is the important thing. Okay va? Now 1 meter equal to 1/1000 kilometer. So that only here 1000 is there. 1000 have 3 zeros. So that only we are keeping the 3 digits before decimal point. Okay, have you clear children? Okay, so next is example 1.5. Okay, express the numbers given in expanded form and write in decimal representation. Okay, very easy children, this sum you just give the 3. Okay, because in this 3 we don't have the denominator, others and all we have the denominators. So 3 is the whole number part. Give the what to do? Yes, okay, give the decimal point and then 5 here 100th places 3, here 1000th places 4. That's it. Okay, expanded form we have we want to write. Okay, wow, expanded form how we can write? Yes, we want to mention the place values. Okay wow, here you can write 4 is in which place? 4 is in thousands, THOUSANDTHS. 3 is in hundred, HUNDREDTHS. 5 is in TENTHS, and then 3 is there. So point dot before 3 is there. 3 is in the ones place. Okay, well, like that we have to write. Okay, very much simple children. Like that the same we have to do this. Here they are given the 40 plus 6. Two whole numbers they are given. So we want to add this 40 plus 6. 40 plus 6 add means we will get the 46. Okay, wow. So it is the whole number part work is over. Next decimal part work. I given the decimal point here. 7 tenths are there, and then 2 hundredths are there, and then 6 thousandths are there. So we have to write the expanded form also. Shall we start to write from the 6? Okay, so 6 is in the tens, hundredths, thousandths place. THOUSANDTHS. And then 2 is in the which place? Hundredth place. HUNDREDTHS. Okay, 7 is in the TENTHS, 10th place. Now 6 is in ones place, ONES. And then 4 is in the ones, next tens, TENS. Okay, wow. Have you clear children? Very much simple sums. Students, next I am going to start with this exercise number 1.1. First sum I am going to do it here itself because I can't able to draw in the note. It will take some time. So I am just finish off the answer here itself. We can write here. Okay, write the decimal numbers for the following pictorial representation of numbers. Okay, pictorial representation they are given. In example they given the decimal number. They ask us to draw the pictorial representation. Now they are given the pictorial representation, but we have to write the decimal numbers. Okay, wow. So count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12. So this boxes look like the same. Okay, wow. So you put 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 point. Okay, wow. 1, 2. Only 2 decimal numbers is there. So you have to give the 12.2. Okay, wow. So next here 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 21.123. So decimal place tenths is 3. Okay, wow. Have you clear children? Very much simple sum. Okay, ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am, because last class itself you people asked me, ma'am, this whole number la nariya numbers irundhuchana we can follow like that. In decimal places la adutha 100th place la diagram eppadi varum? You may have that doubt. Children, decimal place la 100th place la pictorial representation kudukka maatanga. So don't worry about it. Decimal la 10th place mattum da kudupanga. You can write like this. Okay, va? Okay, we will move on to the second one. Express the following in centimeter using decimals. Okay, va? So millimeter la ellame kuduthirukanga. We have to convert into the centimeter. Okay, va? Millimeter we have to change into the centimeter. We will do this sum in note. So now children, so millimeter want to convert into the centimeter means we have to divide it by 10. So here I am write the formula. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So I have here 5 millimeter. Appo 5 millimeter abdina we have to take it and write it as 5 by 10 centimeter. Appo 10 na oru zero da. Appo oru digit ku munadi point vecha podum. So 5 is the digit and then adukku munadi oru point. Avladha. Okay, now we changed this into the centimeter. Have you clear children? So 9 millimeter. So 9 millimeter is equal to, okay, va, is equal to 9 by 10. So 0.9 centimeter. Okay, va? So 42 millimeter. So 42 millimeter means we have to convert into the centimeter. So 42 divided by 10 is equal to 1 digit before we have to keep the dot. No, so we have already 2 digits are there. 42 means. Okay, so now you have to keep the 1 digit before the point. So 2 before if you keep the point means 4.2 what centimeter. Okay, va? Okay, so I'll complete this one. After that I will teach this. Okay, 375 millimeter. So 375. Okay, divided by 10. 1 digit before you want to keep the dot. We have 3 digits here. So 1 digit before means you have to keep it here and then you have to keep the centimeter. Children, again I am remembering this. 1 digit before அப்படினா எப்பவுமே நீங்க left side ல இருந்து தான் digits count பண்ணனும். Okay, so we going to start from here only. Okay, so this one is 8 centimeter plus 9 mm. Okay, well, already they are given here centimeter, so as it is you keep it here, plus 9 mm. 9 mm convert pannom, 9 by 10 equal to 8 centimeter plus 9 by 10 na 0.9 centimeter. So 8 plus 0.9 is 8.9 centimeter. Children, here I am going to do the decimal addition. Look at this. Okay, 0.9 decimal number. அப்போ 8 இருக்கு. 8 வந்து whole number. How we can add whole number na இந்த whole number partல தான் நம்ம add பண்ணணும். Decimal number partல 8 போட்டு add பண்ணக்கூடாது. It is wrong. Okay வா? So point அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. இங்க நம்பர் இல்லனா 0. So 9 as it is here 8.9 will come. This is the decimal addition. 8.9. Okay va? Have you clear, children? Okay. So next is express the following in meter using decimals. Centimeter meter convert பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So centimeter meter we want to convert. Centimeter meter we want to convert means we have to do what? Okay va? Here see one example 1.3 போட்டோம்ல, that same formula we have to use it here. Okay va? So 1 centimeter equal to, okay va, 1 by 100 meter. So 2 digit க்கு முன்னாடி point வைக்கணும். So 1 2 digit க்கு முன்னாடி point வச்சோம்னா we will convert the centimeter into meter. Centimeter into meter. Okay va? Shall we start to do this? Okay. So 16 divided by 100. 16 divided by 100 meter. Okay. 2 digit before. We have already 2 digit. Before that you want to keep the dot and put the 0 here. 0.16 meter. Okay. Here 7. 7 by 100 meter. So 7 1 digit before 1 digit and then keep the dot and then you can put the 0 here. That's it. Easy, no? So like that the same. 43 divided by 100 is equal to 43 you can keep 2 digit before you want to keep the dot, no? So you keep the dot here and then 0 here, meter want to come. Okay, here 6 meter. 6 meter அப்படியே போட்டுக்கோங்க. 6 centimeter தான் இப்போ மீட்டரா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போறோம். So plus 6 divided by 100. So 6 meter plus 0.06 meter. Now we are going to add this. Look at this, children. 0.06. Here 6 is the whole number part. So 6 வந்து பாயிண்ட்க்கு முன்னாடி போணும். இங்க ரெண்டு zeros ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So 6 0 plus 0 0. Here 0 plus 6 is 6. Answer is 6.06. 6.06 meter. Okay va? 6.06 meter. So next 2 meter 54 centimeter. So already we have the 2 meter. As usual you keep here 54 divided by 100. So 2 meter 54 divided by 100 what will come? 0.54 meter. 2 digit க்கு முன்னாடி point வச்சுக்கணும். Okay va? இப்போ add பண்ணலாமா? Look at this, children. Here I am going to write the answer here. So I will do the addition here. 54 whole number is 2. So 2 வந்து whole number partல add பண்ண போறோம். So 2.54. 2.54. So answer is 2.54 meter. That's it, students. Very much simple. Okay va? So now expand the following decimal numbers. Following இது decimal numbersல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது வந்து expand பண்ணி எழுத சொல்லிருக்காங்க நம்மள. பண்ணலாமா? expand the following in the decimal numbers. பண்ணலாமா? இங்க பாரு 37.3. ஓகேவா? 37.3. இது எந்த பிளேஸ்? 10th பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. So 10th பிளேஸ்ல 3 divided by 10. ஓகேவா? before 1's பிளேஸ்ல ஒரு 7 plus okay 10th பிளேஸ்ல என்ன இருக்கு? 3 இருக்கு. அப்போ 3 tens னா எவ்வளோ? 30. 3 tens னா 30. So 30 plus 7 ஓகேவா plus 3 by 10 is the answer. ஓகேவா? So next போடலாமா? ஓகே ஃபஸ்ட்டு இங்கே டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். ப்ளஸ் போட்டுக்கிறேன். 3 10s இருக்குது. ஸோ 3 divided by 10s ப்ளஸ் 7 hundreds இருக்குது. ஸோ 7 divided by hundreds. Next 8 is in ones place. As usual you can write. Next 5 is in which place? 10s place. 5 is in 10s place. So 5 10s வந்து 50 plus okay 6 is in which place? 100th place. So 100s place. So 600s. ஓகேவா 6 வந்து 100 பிளேஸ் 600 5 வந்து 10s பிளேஸ் 50 5 10s 50 8 வந்து 1s பிளேஸ் அதனால அப்படியே 8 எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா வெரி மச் சிம்பிள் சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் 237.6 ஓகேவா ப்ளஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கிறத முடிச்சுறேன். 6 10s இருக்கு. ஸோ 6 10s அப்போ 7 1s இருக்கு. ஸோ 7 ஸோ 3 in the 10s பிளேஸ். ஸோ 30 again 2 in the 100th place அப்போ 200 plus 30 plus 7 plus 6 by 10 ஓகேவா. so next move on to this. okay first decimal point finish பண்ணிடலாம். plus போடுறேன். 3 வந்து 10s place ஓகேவா. 5 is in the 100th place. 8 is in the 1000th place overா. so again here 8 okay இந்த 8 ones அப்புறம் 7 வந்து 10s so 70 plus 6 வந்து 100 place so 600 plus 5 is in the thousands place so 5000 okay va. Have you clear children? Very much simple. okay shall we move on to the next one? Next is express the following decimal numbers in place value grid. Okay va, and write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay va, place value grid போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் underlined digit எந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருக்குன்றதை நம்ம எழுத போறோம். Okay va, write பண்ணலாமா? very much simple. Okay va, first number எழுதுறேன். 6 1 5. Okay va, first 6 வந்து tenths TENTHS. இது வந்து hundreds. 1 வந்து HUNDREDTHS. ஓகேவா. 3 is in the ONES place, ones place. இது வந்து tenths TENS. expand பண்ணிட்டேனா. இப்போ underline digit வந்து 6. 6 is in the 10th place. So answer is what? 6 by 10. Answer is 6 by 10. That's all. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, here also you can write 2 6 3 2 7 1. இது வந்து TENTHS hundreds HUNDREDTHS. here வந்து THOUSANDTHS thousands place. tens 100 1000. here ones இங்க tens இது 100 place. ஓகேவா. ஸோ இங்கே பாரு அண்டர்லைன் டிஜிட் வந்து 2. அப்போ 2 is in which place? 10th place. ஸோ ஆன்சர் what we have to write it here 10th place na 2 divided by 10. ஓகேவா. ஸோ next children 17.39. okay, write your number separately. write the place value. point is here no, so we have to keep the point. so tens TENTHS hundreds HUNDREDTHS. okay, 7 is in which place? ones. okay, 1 is in the 100 place. so underline digit is 9. 9 is in 100th place. so 9 divided by 100. okay students, if they underline this number means you can write the answer 1 is enough. ஓகேவா. இங்கே டென்த்ஸ் ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் தௌசண்ட்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது தான் நீங்கள் டிவைட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஓகேவா. ஹோல் நம்பரில் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ கேட்டாங்கன்னா ஆஸ் யூஷுவலாக 7னா 7 ஒன்ஸு 1னா 100 அது மாதிரி எழுதுனா போதும். ஓகேவா. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு திஸ் சம். ஓகே, ரைட் த நம்பர் 9 6 5 7. okay, 9 is in the ones place. 6 is in 10th TENTHS. 5 is in HUNDREDTHS. இங்கே பாருங்க THS வரத்துக்குலாம் ஃபுல் நேம் நீங்கள் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா ரைட் சைடில் வந்தால் பரவாயில்ல HTO அப்படி போட்டுக்கலாம் ஆனால் டெசிமல் பாயிண்டில் வர்றதுக்கு ஃபுல் நேம் நீங்கள் எழுதி தான் ஆகணும் ஓகேவா ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸு THOUSANDTHS ஸோ 5 இஸ் இன் த 100th பிளேஸ் அண்டர்லைன் டிஜிட் வந்து 5 இஸ் இன் த 100th பிளேஸ் அப்போ 5 டிவைடட் பை 100 okay so next we have to write it here I don't that much space irka paklama okay paakren 4972.068 okay va idu first the ones tens hundreds thousands okay idu vandu TNTHS tens idu vandu HUNDREDTHS hundreds 8 is in the 1000 THOUSANDTHS okay va so 6 is in the which place 100th place so 6 divided by 100 are you sorry children they had underlined the 8 so 8 divided by 1000 you can change it here 8 divided by 1000 underlined digit is 8 so 8 divided by 1000 is your answer okay next students page number 6 I'm going to solve now objective type questions okay very much simple sums you give most important to the objective types questions it will be very useful to you in future okay so the place value of 3 in 85.073 okay va idu 0 vandu tens idu vandu hundreds idu vandu thousands look at this children you have the options here tens hundreds thousands and thousands okay va so idu vandu decimal point la vandirukku appo compulsory THS irukonu okay va appo thousands place is the correct answer option 4 is the right answer okay you can write it here THOUSANDTHS thousands okay so to convert gram into kilogram we have to divide it by okay va gram kilogram convert பண்ணனும் அப்படினா we have to divide it by இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தோம் in that example we converted the meter into kilometer ஓகேவா அதே தான் இப்போ கிராம் இன்ட்டு கிலோகிராம் மீட்டர் இன்ட்டு கிலோமீட்டர் வந்து டிவைடட் பை 1000 போட்டோம் ஸோ அதே மாதிரி கிராம் இன்ட்டு கிலோகிராமும் we have to divide it by 1000 okay write the correct option here okay so next the decimal representation of 30 kilogram and 43 gram ஓகேவா இப்போ தான் சொன்னேன் இன் கிலோகிராமில் கேட்டிருக்காங்க கிராமை கிலோகிராமாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோன்னா we have to divide it by 1000 ஸோ இங்கே பாரு 30 is the whole number part and then 43 divided by 1000 ஓகேவா 3 digit before பாயிண்ட் வைக்கணும் அப்போது 30 plus 3 digit before already we have the 2 digit 43 ஸோ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 0 போட்டு பாயிண்ட் வச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் 0 போடணும் அப்போது we have the answer 30.043 add பண்ணமானா so 30.043 is your 043 is your third option எல்லாமே சேமா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு so look clearly and then you write okay third option is the right answer so next a cricket pitch is about 264 centimeter wide it is equal to dash meter so centimeter meter convert பண்ணனும் centimeter meter convert பண்ணனும்னா divided by what very good divided by 100 okay va so 264 divided by 100 20 அப்போ 2 digit க்கு முன்னாடி பாயிண்ட் வைக்கணும் we have the 3 digits here okay va we have how many digit 3 digit so 264 2 digit க்கு முன்னாடி பாயிண்ட் பண்ணோம்னா 2.64 meter is the correct answer so second option is the correct answer okay va okay children up to this exercise number 1.1 is over so next class I will take the next example okay you just clearly watch the video and learn from this and all very basics to the future so learn it very clearly here and there if you can't understand means watch the video again and again and if you have any doubts you can call me and ask with me don't hesitate to do it okay I hope everybody understood well up to this thank you students write these all the pages from the page 2 to 6 in your maths subject note okay thank you students